Alright guys, special weather statement and the EAS trying to break over my TV.
A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 7:45 p.m. for Alexander, northern Mississippi, Scott, and southern Cape Girardeau counties. At 7:20 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Olive Branch, or 9 miles east of Benton, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour in gusts and penny-sized hail. This is a
The EAS is attempting to break over my TV.
Impact. Expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Cape Girardeau, Sykeston, Scott City, Chaffee, Carroll, Warren, Minor, Benton, Morley, Thames, Kelso, Delta, Gordonville, Dutchtown, Haywood City, Horseshoe Lake Conservation Area, Olive Branch, Thebes, Vancouver, and Blodgett. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 7:45 p.m. for the following counties: in Missouri, Cape Girardeau, Mississippi, and Scott, and Alexander, Illinois. Significant weather advisory for Union,
guys,
Pulaski, Jackson, and
The
Alexander.
EAS is trying to break over my TV.
At 6:31 p.m.
But it didn't break over this one.
Thunderstorms along a line extending from near Avon.
Didn't break over the Sanyo. Alright, that's it.